There's a real big bird on top of that tree right there. I don't know what it is. Big one though. Just about to the peak of what they call a little hump here. You can see the peak is over there. Snowfields. It's an incredible snowfield back in there. See if I can zoom in on it. Right there, look at that. Down pretty low too, elevation. I would say right now I'm about a couple hundred feet below the snow line. Funny thing is, bugs flying around, you know? It's not even the middle of February. And it's just about springtime here. Look at the size of that. I wish he would fly or something. He ain't doing anything, he's just sitting there. Probably waiting for me to drop dead so he can eat me. You gonna eat me, huh, bird? Well, let's hope he doesn't eat me, okay? I don't want to get eaten anymore. I don't want to get eaten right now. Alright, I'm just about to the top.